So I leave his heritage with sugar. Incredible. All right, folks, so in times of crises, food relief is one of the most meaningful ways we can support families, but not all food meets every need. Today, we're exploring the importance of preparing food donations that consider special diets. ITAL vegan chef Amadonna, my good friend, is with me this morning, not for the first time here on Smile. Good to see you. Blessings, my friend. All is well?
Yes, sir. All is well with you?
I can't complain at all. Give thanks.
Wow.
What's considered a special diet? And why is it important to consider dietary restrictions when you're doing stuff like this?
Some people are allergic to certain things, while some people just choose to have a healthier lifestyle in eating healthy so you don't get sick, don't have to waste minutes of health time going to the hospital and all of that doctor bill. So us as Rastafari has chosen this lifestyle. So in this time of crisis with the hurricane, a lot of Rastafari are in shelters and they are maybe forced to eat certain things. So we are here at Smile Jamaica Morning Time just to show them how even their own care package that they have received, how they can transform it into eating healthy from it.
Oh.
Okay, so this is like flour. Mm-hmm. So out of the flour, you can get a complete meal, which this is, you call it patty, but we call it yati, because we have our own vocabulary.
So what is in it?
So this is in it. We extract the protein from the starch, and this is the protein here. And so we also use the same flour to make the yati.
So hold on now. So you still don't tell me exactly what is in there.
So this is the meat. This is the meat. This is the meat.
That is the meat.
Yeah, that we use the flour to get the meat from.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh. It tastes like anything somebody else would understand. No, me not going to taste it.
Why?
But
yes, you taste it, have a meat taste.
It have a meat taste. Mm-hmm. No, man, Clive will taste it later on. What have you brought here?
So this is, so the cornmeal that they get also as a care package. Mm-hmm. We use a cornmeal to make a little cake and use the same cornmeal to make an ice cream, which you would call an ice cream. So you make your cornmeal porridge in the morning, you don't have to throw it away. It can transform into a cake and into an ice cream.
Oh, you make that ice cream from cornmeal porridge?
Why you want me to tell you my secret? Now you have to go pay me intellectual property right away.
I'll pay you, no problem. So how you get it?
So because you put, ice cream is really milk. And ice cream is really milk. Mm-hmm. So
you don't have to tell me everything still.
Because because you sweeten it with milk and all like that. So we use plant-based. So you can put other stuff into it and get it creamier. Okay. And then it just...
Yeah, and what's this?
So this is lentil pie. So the lentil, if they have canned beans inside there, inside the shelter where they are, you can't say you can't eat anything because you can use the lentil to make a pie.
What it tastes like?
Very nice.
What's this?
So this is quinoa, as you know it, and so we use the lentil again because lentil is easily prepared. And so that's why I choose to use the lentil 2 times, because if you reach home and you're hungry, you can soak the lentil for like 10 minutes and you're ready to start.
Quinoa is supposed to take the place of rice?
Of rice, yes. And it's even more healthy and nutritious than rice.
Are you suggesting that you not necessarily should eat rice?
Yeah, me put a fire upon rice. But I'm not telling anyone what to do, but rice is just starch and it just make you bloaty and just
What's the difference with the quinoa? What's the difference with the quinoa? What's the difference with the quinoa?
Well, it has protein and it digests easily.
Okay. Yeah. What have you brought over there now that you're going to put some stuff together now?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is to show them, like, if you want to have a breakfast early and you don't have any fire, reaching out to the people them all the way down there in Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth that is going through the time, and you don't have any fire, any water, come never make we show them how to do it. Just cut up the banana And the pear, it's very easy. We just
No, I tell you, you're not doing anything this morning, you know.
Yeah. What you talk about,
You're on your own this
morning. How you treat me like this? You don't like me, you know?
I love
you. Know,
you.
say a lie, I tell so you like me.
I love you.
You don't like love? Yeah. I hate you, hate me. If you didn't love me, you'd do what me I tell you if you do.
I want you to get it
all right.
This morning, yeah?
So this is the oatmeal. You know, help me cut up the arm.
So it's just water you put on?
Yeah, because come look, you see them, they have oatmeal milk on the market. This same oatmeal, you can just press on it and it gets real milky.
So by just putting water?
If never helped me now, then we would have the banana cut and the pear, but him decide to go on like a bad man this morning. But wait until me catch you one away. Conk me, I go
can't wait for you catch me one away.
Conk me, I go come here first. You see how easily? So,
what else?
Rasta, me know, say right now, I go through some things and sometimes I don't forget. So this is chocolate powder. So we're making something healthy for them so that they can have something in the morning even if they don't have any fire because life goes on, right? This is chia seed that also consists of protein. You know, I heard a Rasta lady in one of the shelter, and they told her that she's gonna have to eat pork and corned beef because there is nothing there for her.
Wow.
Lady, you don't have to do that here. Don't make them trick you. There are 10 things there that they can use. All right.
What else?
We also have nuts that you can put into it. You're not opening the nuts to me. You're not doing nothing for me this morning. You're going like a pretty boy, so.
You know, you're
like
say
a bossy boy. You strike for me. All right.
All I'm going to do is when you're done, I'm going to eat the food when you're done.
I strike on you too. So we'll put some nuts.
Looks really healthy.
How we look?
Looks really healthy.
Yes. Yes, so that we are dealing with it now, because we can't take up the hospital. We have to make space for people who really need to be there. Not because you don't eat healthy. So banana have potassium in it. Banana actually is a fruit that you can eat for the day if you are on a diet.
Great food. Banana and pear, great food.
Oh, we don't call it banana, you know, free nana. Free refrito.
Yeah, well, you can call it.
You know what we call pear? What the pear? Tell me what we call this. Add one. This is not a pear. This is add one. Me no want you laugh. No laugh with me.
You can call it anything you want.
Make people not like me laugh with me. Don't laugh with me.
What's up?
All right.
All right, we have to go. So what is that now?
So this is like a cereal. You can have it to break your fast.
And what would you do with the avocado?
One? The add one? Yeah, would have put the add one in it, but suppose you want to leave the add one to make a salad because they already have the free nana in it, then you're good to go, you know?
Yeah.
So we still have to eat, and we don't have to eat meat. We can eat out of the can, although Rasta eat out of can and plastic, but if we have to do it, we can do it healthy.
Yeah. Good to see you as always. I tell vegan chef Madonna, how are you found if anyone wants to find you to deal with stuff?
I don't have a storefront, but you can go to Ital Vegan Goddess on my Instagram, Facebook, Amadonna.
Yeah.
Don't call me if you're not serious. Don't harass the ras. All right?
All right. Ital Vegan chef Madonna.
Yes.
Good to see you as always. After the break, we give you a breakdown of last night's World Cup qualifying match between Jamaica and Curacao. Soon come.